TBM, as you know, started in 1991, and it started as one of the early tech companies in this market.
We are warranty center for Lenovo and IBM, and we do that in our office. At least that helps us to give our clients a real-time support and also fixes once their systems fail.
Basically, it touches every aspect of IT industry, both in the private and public sector.
We are fortunate enough as a Kenyan-based company to be sitting in the hub of technology, of economies in Eastern Africa.
I think the future is there. The main thing is for the company to keep training people and updating technology development, and also helping and associating with all our local companies and foreign companies working here so that we are at par with other countries.